Want to get rid of belly fat without leaving your house? Then this video is just what you need. I'll walk you through 5 simple but powerful exercises that you can do from home to help you get a flat stomach in just 1 month. No gym, no equipment required. These movements are beginner-friendly, yet super effective for targeting stubborn fat, especially around the midsection. By combining core-focused exercises with cardio-based movements, you'll not only burn belly fat, but also tone your abs, boost your endurance, and strengthen your whole body. Whether you're a beginner or getting back into fitness, this routine is for you. And make sure to watch till the end. The 5th exercise is a total game changer when it comes to burning fat and speeding up your metabolism. Ready to flatten your stomach from home? Let's get started. Esta abcrunches. We'll kick things off with a classic, abcrunches. Abcrunches are one of the most effective exercises for directly targeting the rectus abdominis, the muscle responsible for that six-pack look. Regular practice of crunches not only strengthens the core, but also helps in defining and shaping the abdominal area. What makes crunches powerful is how many variations exist. For example, bicycle crunches activate the oblique muscles. Reverse crunches target the lower abs. Classic crunches strengthen the central abdominal wall. By working these muscles regularly, you'll increase overall caloric burn, helping your body shed excess fat while building visible definition. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions for the best results. 2. Plank. Next, we have the plank, a deceptively simple yet incredibly effective core exercise. The plank is an isometric hold that works both external and internal muscle groups. This includes your abs, lower back, shoulders, glutes, and even calves. It helps develop core stability, improves posture, and reduces lower back pain, especially for people with sedentary lifestyles. While it might not look like much, holding the plank for even 30 to 60 seconds can burn up to 20 kilocalories per minute, depending on your weight and muscle engagement. Proper plank form. Start by lying face down, then raise your body onto your forearms and toes. Elbows should be directly beneath your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your abs and glutes, and avoid sagging or lifting your hips. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds for 3 sets. Don't forget to breathe steadily and focus on maintaining tension throughout your entire body. 3. Mountain climbers. Let's pick up the pace with mountain climbers, a dynamic, full-body movement that really fires up your core while burning calories. This exercise is a fantastic cardio and strength combo, working your abs, thighs, glutes, lower legs, and even your shoulders and arms. Since mountain climbers involve constant movement at a fast pace, they're excellent for burning subcutaneous fat and speeding up metabolism. Perform 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds at your own pace. As your stamina improves, increase the speed to maximize fat burning. Mountain climbers are great because they also act as a cardio booster, making your workouts more efficient in less time. 4. Jumping jacks. Another great fat-burning move is the jumping jack, a classic aerobic exercise that gets your heart rate up quickly and uses your entire body. Jumping jacks are perfect for burning calories, improving muscle tone, and increasing cardiovascular endurance, all while enhancing coordination and joint mobility. They engage your glutes, quads, hip flexors, shoulders, and core, making it a complete bodyweight movement that requires no equipment. Jumping jacks also help with caloric burn, with estimates of about 10 kilocalories per minute, depending on intensity. Focus on doing these in sync with full-range arm and leg motion. Perform 3 sets of 40 to 60 seconds. The faster and more controlled your movements, the more calories you'll burn. It's simple, fun, and a great way to add a cardio component to your focused workout. 5. Burpees. Now for the 5th and most intense exercise, the burpee. This is your game changer when it comes to melting fat, building endurance, and strengthening muscles from head to toe. Burpees combine a squat, plank, push-up, and jump into one explosive movement. They activate multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, back, arms, core, glutes, quads, and calves. It's basically a total body workout in a single exercise. Why are burpees so effective for fat loss? Because they drastically increase your heart rate in a short time and help you burn more calories, even after the workout is done. This phenomenon, known as the afterburn effect, boosts your metabolism and promotes faster fat loss. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. And there you have it. 5 simple but powerful exercises that can help you flatten your stomach and burn belly fat from the comfort of your home. No fancy equipment, no expensive gym memberships, just consistency, effort, and smart movements. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the other fitness videos on the channel. Links are on the screen now. See you in the next workout. Stay strong.